Have you ever wanted to make slime but don't have glue, don't have activator, and don't have the time to just put everything in a freezer or fridge for 3 hours? Well, you've clicked on the right video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all how to make slime, no glue, no activator, no fridge or freezer needed. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, for this recipe, you are only going to be needing 2 simple ingredients. First ingredient is going to be cornstarch. I'm sure a ton of you guys have this just in your kitchen lying around somewhere. And the second ingredient I'm sure you guys also have is some dish soap. A ton of people have Dawn in their household for just cleaning dishes. You could probably find it on the sink. And also just for utility wise, you guys are also going to need a bowl and spoon to make your slime. So let's do this. Alright, let's get our dish soap in here. Okay, now that we have that in here, let's start scooping some cornstarch in. Okay guys, I just added some cornstarch in here and now it is time to mix this up with the spoon I told you need earlier. Alright, once your cornstarch has completely dissolved into the dish soap, and if it's still liquidy like this, that means you're going to need some more cornstarch. I got some cornstarch in here now and I'm going to mix it up again. I ended up needing even more cornstarch in my mixture. Okay, look. Once you've gotten that frosting texture and you add even more cornstarch, this is when the kneading is going to start. Okay, here's a better view, sorry. This is perfect. This texture is getting so creamy and hardly leaving a residue. Well, I guess a little bit, which is a sign that we need just the last little bit of cornstarch to really knead that in there and make it perfect. Alright, I'm just going to stop boring you with all this stuff and show you the final result. There we go. Here is the final result of our no glue, no activator, no fridge, no freezer slime. This looks like an amazing slime, so let's try it out. Oh my gosh. This is so smooth. It is so buttery and creamy. Oh my gosh, it feels like those clay slimes. Okay, I am absolutely loving this. Oh, it's giving Play-Doh vibes. This slime recipe totally worked. Thank you for all the people. Thank you to all my fans who recommended me to try out this recipe. I've actually never tried it before, and it might actually be better than the cornstarch and conditioner slime recipe. If you'd like to know how to make that one, make sure and go check it out on my channel, SlimeSnapNation. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. And please be sure to check out my most recent video where I show you guys how to make iceberg slime. That video was so fun to make, and I hope you guys will enjoy it if you check it out. Make sure to click down here to see my most popular video with 27,000 views. Thank you guys so much for all the support on that. And if you really enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel, SlimeSnapNation. And I've also got a second channel if you're interested in any ASMR content. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!